verse 14, and over all these virtues, put on love, which bind them all together in perfect unity. Colossians 3 verse 9, do not lie to each other, since you may have taken off your old self with its practices. Colossians 3 verse 17, and whatever you do, whether word or deed, do it all in the name for the Lord Jesus, giving thanks to God the Father through Him. Colossians 3 verse 13, bear with each other and forgive. Whatever grievances you may have against one another, forgive and forgive. Proverbs 2:6, for the Lord gives wisdom, and from His mouth comes knowledge and understanding. Micah 6:8, walk with God. John 15:16, you did not choose me, but I chose you, and appointed you to go and bear fruit. That means that the Father will give you whatever you ask in my name. Proverbs 17 verse 22, a cheerful heart is good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones. Proverbs 30 verse 22, do not say, I'll pay you back all for this, no, wait for the Lord, and He will deliver you. Proverbs 10 verse 4, lazy hands make a man poor, but a diligent hands brings wealth.